Life's good. There's a rock garden, a little rock section. Catch some air. Same thing down here. There's a rock in the trail though. Woo! Man, it comes at you quick through here. Woo! All right, we made it. We're up here, Jug. Eyeing that first feature, getting familiar with the rolling. First time riding up here all season. Beautiful day here in May. Still riding the Rossignol all track. Enjoying the views before we drop in. Whew. Yeah, baby. Are we excited for this? Little Berm and Ernie, Jug Mountain. Yoo hoo! So glad to be back here. Had to pedal up, earn the descent today. Normally they run a shuttle on the weekends. That is always worth it. This is a must-do stop if you're in the Boise area. Man, some hand-built, maintained trails. There's some rock features, some wooden features. First time riding it this season, so gotta get familiar. Don't remember all the right line choices. How can you? Day one of the season, first time on the trail, you're not gonna lace it your favorite line top to bottom, but it's good to be back. The right should be a little roll, a little wood feature. Yeah, baby, you! One of the best trails out here. It's a blue flow trail. It's got a little bit of everything you can ask for. Some high-speed berms, some rock sections, some wood features. Life's good. There's a rock garden. Woo! Yeah, baby. What a berm. Nice. I love this trail. Ooh. Like that, like a little rock jump down to a step up into the shadows. What a berm. Oh, that's new work. Woo! Yeah, baby, there's some trail work done there. Off the front brake, eyes forward, dancing over the rollers. Trying to keep my eyes as far forward so I can remember the trail, what it does, where it goes. Woo! Getting loose. Yeah, baby. Stay to the right. Cuts back. A little pump, pump, pump. Back into the shadows. A little rock section. Hear the tire skidding. Should be able to air that. Boom. Gain a little momentum. Not trusting the rock roll yet. Woo! Really lean the bike over in these next two. I like it. Stay inside, rip the berm. Woo! Remember there's a root there. Gotta love a step up. Off the front. Get in. Lower that outside foot. Reset. Woo! Yeah, baby. What a trail. Just a fun, flowy trail. First one of this trip, heading up north, doing some car camping, getting out here into the mountains before my summer operations kick in. I love that little inside cheater. Catch some air. Same thing down here. There's a rock in the trail though. Woo! Man, it comes at you quick through here. Woo! Could have gone outside. I'll know for next time. Woo! Quick one here, even though you come ripping in. Another quick one to the right. Woo, and we're out. That is it, baby. Oh, gotta love those loops. Absolutely. So fun. And then you get back up here. I went up the road. There's one other alternative. But man, are we dreaming. Whew. Do that all day. I don't know if this is the start of my trail. Back up. I bet you it is. I'm gonna go to the car, take a breather. Whew. Look at that, back to it. What a way to start the day. It looks like maybe that is basic training. Recommended climbing route. Whew.